beach road in Venice. Englewood. There's a fishing pier on the Englewood side. And there's a sunken boat hidden there. Sunken boats all over the place.
Good stuff. Hi, Violet.
They're just inches away. You see any fish? Good. Okay, now we're going to do the death plunge into the ice cold 70-degree water of Stump Pass.
Yeah, and then there's that little island where it splits, and then all the boat docks are right
Let's
there.
see how these guys get up on shore.
Yeah, I think I can still get out there.
Mine will definitely make it that far.
My only concern out there is if I was, it's such a short run from the ramp to there, and if I go out to 776,
And it's starting to pull loose.
I'm more scared going 776 than running over the river. So like, I know all the spots in the river. Like
776, I swear, heading out that channel right there, I swear that shit's all right.
it's like a ground.
Yeah. Yep. I track it every time, and I erase my track.
Griffin, where are you going, babe?
This time I'll follow the exact track.
We'll pick that up later. Hey, what you got?
Well, as soon as you got your motor up, the fucking boat came right up.
Yep.
The motor had it wedged into the sand.
Oh, Phil, are you helping?
They say it drafts 32 inches from the motor down. I was skipping across that fairly easy. 1.5.
What's the name of the restaurant there? Does the restaurant have a name? Just Stump Pass Marina. They have a lighthouse. There's a lighthouse out front. There's a place you can park your boat.
How old is you now?
Okay, here is rule number 1. Always bring your kids out on a boat at least once every couple months. Do something fun with them because life's too short and you want them to make sure that they enjoy your stuff. Okay, we're at Stump Pass, Englewood. All the boats come through Stump Pass. If you wait a while, you'll be able to see some stingrays jump. If I catch one, I'll put them on the film, but you can bring your boat up here. There's a quick current, so what you have to do is put a little stick in the ground to hold your boat because the current will take it away if you don't have it. Hey, Kelly.
Hey.
Who's that you got with you?
This is Stella, and we have Violet.
Our grandkids.
They're going to make us some sort of starfish house.
And if you don't take your kids fishing, they'll be doing something else. But if you're with them, then you know what they're doing. Have your family moments together.
I'm gonna make another stuff. Are you gonna make another one? Okay. You can make a seahorse house too.
Like I said, we're at Stump Pass in Inglewood, where you can stop your boat and get out, and there's beach you can walk on, lots and lots of shells, all kinds of fun stuff.
Oh crap.
Oh, look, and here's the captain. Hey, Captain.
Hello.
So how was your trip over here?
We'll just say it was good.
All right.
We'll stick with that story.
Yeah, we didn't get hit by any stingrays, so life is good. All right, we're still looking for a stingray to jump. Oh, look, and there's the moon. I don't know if you can see it. It's still up there. There's a couple pelicans flying by. Don't go deep in the water. You can put your feet in there, but you don't want to go because it drops straight off down there.
You were running with that other boat, and all of a sudden you went, the other boat kept going. I'm like, oh,
Grandpa and get them wet.
Yeah, get me wet. I haven't gotten wet in a long time. Some beautiful houses up there overlooking the Stump Pass and the Gulf of Mexico. Nice beach to come to because it's just not too crowded. And Stump Pass Marina is right over there. You can actually get there by car if you Google Stump Pass Marina. And there's a really cool restaurant there, and there's a small pass that you can go and park your boat if you go by boat. They got good food, and you can bring your dog. They actually have an area for your dog. All right, Kelly, you want to wind this up?
Okay.
Well, if you ever find anything on the East Coast near Sebastian,
It's a bomb. The water's what? 70 degrees, so
Yeah.
we're gonna hang out at the beach.
Pretty cool.
Yes. Or just stay here in Stump Pass.
new one's like
Still looking for a stingray to jump. Oh wait, they're dolphins. You see the dolphins? Dolphins are right out there. They're gonna come up again. There they are. Where'd the dolphins go? Yeah, the boat came barreling through there and used to win. Stump Pass is very deep body of water. It's about 27 feet. There they are. See them? See them pop up? Let's go swimming with the dolphins. There's a pair of them.
There's 3 of them.
Was it
One
three?
after the swimming against the.
There they are.
There's 1 too.
Like, I'm gonna catch one of those stingrays, Joe. Just a matter of time. All right, well, please And remember, you should always take your kids to the beach. Take your grandkids to the beach. Take your friends to the beach, because it makes everybody more comfortable together. And if they're playing at the beach, they're not playing with bad people. Fly 1200.
I was looking, I was like, oh wait, wrong beach. How did
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of the parasail boats. There's a bunch of birds. Bird's not afraid of you. Give him a little piece of cracker. Yeah, give him some chip. The bird wants some chips. They're gonna get you. Stella, give the bird a piece of chip. Just give him a little tiny piece.
I'm like, dude, I can't control the motor, I guess. Still do it. Just push it out and drop it. Yeah, but then I gotta come up there and do everything else.
Are you going to eat the shell?
I'd rather get a windlass and be able to drop the anchor from the bow or from the back.
Gotta walk slow.
I don't know. I've been back and forth on it. I want to, but then it's like, does this boat really deep?
He'll run away unless you stop. Stop. And then hold it out to him.
You want another chip?
There's another bag in there.
Yeah, but you can't run. You have to stop and let him come to you. See? You gotta let him come to you.
You just ate it?
You gotta let him come to you. If you chase him, they'll run away.